Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you a secret text adventure game that's hidden inside Google. So how do you play this game? In order to play this game, open your browser and search for text adventure. After that, open your developer console. In order to open your developer console, you can use the shortcut key of F12. Else, click these three dots that you see here. Go to More Tools and click on Developer Tools. Let me just expand this section. Now go to Console and that's it. You're ready to play the game. So here you can see that they have asked you if you want to play the game. You can provide the input of yes or no. I am going to give yes. So you have to just go through and see what the game is all about and you can start your game. So I'll just give you a brief idea what the game is about. I am the big G, that is the G for Google, and the aim is to find the red O, the yellow O, the blue G, the green L and the red E. So in order to play this game, we just need to use a few commands that are listed here. North, south, east, west, up, down, grab, Y, inventory, use, help, exits, map, and friends. T. A strange tingle trickles across your skin. You feel lightheaded and sit down. Feeling better, you stand up again and notice your reflection in a window. You're still the same big blue G you have always been and you can't help but smile. But wait, where are your friends? Red O, yellow O, blue G, green L and the always quirky red E. So like I mentioned before, our aim is to form the word GOOGLE. You see a statue of Metal Man peeking out of a building. A park is just across the street. Possible exits north. Okay, so let's go north. So here they have given you the map legend. G is you, that is this letter you can see over here. This is me. And these extra stuff that you can see here, they have provided the legend over here. A dot means clear path. This is a wall, plus is a door, at is unsolved. So let us continue. You move north. A sidewalk circles around a palm tree. You see a map on a bench. Type grab to pick it up. Possible exits are north and south. So let us see. North and south. North is a clear path. Okay. But before that, let's grab. So in our inventory, we have a map. After grabbing, I'm going north. So you can see the map has expanded. And this was the map that was earlier present. From here, I've gone to the top. You move north. You see a large field with Googlers playing ultimate frisbee and dodgeball. A horde of lost Nooglers surrounds you and asks how to get around. Type use to give them your map to help them out. Okay, this is basically the starting of the game, so they are just giving an idea of how to play the game. So use is basically to use the item in the inventory. You give the map to the horde of Nooglers. They gratefully accept the map. Now that they know where to go, they immediately leave. You, on the other hand, feel a bit lost. An exit appears towards the north. So again, let's go north. You move north. A park opens up all around you with a small waterfall, showing you a path west towards the campus. Okay, so we can either go west or south. I am going to go west because if I go south, I'll go back to the position where I just started. The Google campus opens up before you. Colorful lawn chairs greet your passage and a building on your left hosts an image of your likeness and all of your friends. Possible exits are east, south and west. So if you see the map, I can either go this way or down. Let me open the door. You move south. You are inside the Mercury building. You spot a micro kitchen and some open cubicles. You find a banana peel next to the compost bin. Clearly, someone needs to work on their basketball skills. North and west. If we go north, we'll again go back. So let's try west. You move west. You are greeted by a giant wall of jasmine. A cute robot dog paces back and forth, clearly guarding a door. Possible exits are east. But we just came from there, right? Do we have anything in the inventory? Let us see. Let's try to use. Okay, I think I'm stuck over here. Let me just go back. Let me go east. Clearly, okay, maybe there's something to do with the banana peel. Let's grab it. Okay, we have it. Now let's go west. Okay, a cute robot dog faces back and forth, clearly guarding a door. Okay, let's try to use that now. Okay, that's great. See, the robot dog walks unknowingly towards the banana peel. Its foot slips and its circuitry shuts down in response. It lays on its side, happily wagging its robot tail. An exit appears towards the west. So let's go west. Yay, we found our red E. So this is the game, guys. So I hope you understood how to play this. I'm just going to continue. I think it's going to take me a while to complete this. I finished the game, guys. It took me a lot of time. You might have seen a lot of Easter eggs from Google, but personally, this was one of the coolest Easter eggs that I've ever played. If you've never played this game, do give it a try and let us know how you enjoyed it. While playing the game, if you're stuck somewhere and you have no clue how to proceed, then watch my video till the end wherein I have mentioned the steps to win the game.
If you found this video interesting, do subscribe our channel. Bye guys.